Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with ETIA 2026. So actually guys, you all needed to know that the Shopify's Marketplace Connect no longer supports new ETIA connections. So Shopify phased out ETIA support in its Marketplace Connect feature. So you can't set up a native integration through Shopify's built-in tool anymore. Instead, you will use third-party apps or automation tools. So the best ways to integrate Shopify with Etsy are using a third-party integration app, and that's the best overall. So actually you will need just to go with the settings on the left-hand menu, and after that you will need to go and click on the apps option, okay, and then just go and click on Shopify App Store. After that you will need to click on the search bar or search apps, guides and more, and right there just type Etsy. Okay, so actually guys, you will need to go with, or the top recommended apps are Etsy integration by QuickSync, Etsy integration DPL. So you will need to go with one of those. Also we have the Etsy integration CAD commerce. Okay, so you will need to have 3 of them. So actually I was an example with one of them. So you only just to click on it and then just click on install. Then you will be forwarded into confirmation page. So you will need to confirm the install just from here. Click on install again. And yeah, these are the third-party tools. So you all need just to set a plan, to choose a plan, and then there you go, it will be listed just right here, and it will be integrated to your Shopify store. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.